This is Restoration Antique and Modern, and I'm working on 6 chair, 1950, 1960 chair, mid-century, very nice chair. These chair are, the wood is beechwood and has been made with vibration. So basically the band with this very beautiful design, and very strong as well. So the chair has been stripping. They were black. There has been stripping and sanding down with Orbit sanding paper. The first grain was 60. The second grain I used was 120. And after the chair has been a stain with walnut stain, and after that start polish with shellac French polishing, and and start to polishing the chair, and after that I will waxing. Now you will see how the chair are almost finished. Yes, now the chair are on the table, 6 chair, very nice. And after this chair has a seat, circle seat. Thank you very much. Bye.